Very good morning, students. Today we are going to start new chapter differential equation. So in this various topics we are going to cover order and degree of the differential equation, general and particular solution of the differential equation, formation of differential equations, homogeneous differential equation, variable separable differential equation, linear differential equation, second order differential equations. So today we will discuss about order and degree of the differential equations in this class. So let us start by defining what is a differential equation first. So the definition of the differential equation is an equation in the form of a function, an equation in the form of a function with one or more derivatives. One or more derivatives. That is, we can say in this format also, if the function y is equals to f of x is with the derivatives, so the derivatives may be dy by dx or d square y by dx square, is called a differential equation. This is the definition of the differential equation. Okay. So there are two types of differential equation, that is ordinary differential equation and second one is partial differential equation. So in this chapter we are going to learn only the ordinary differential equations. We will be not learning the partial differential equation. So let us learn what is ordinary differential equation. So first differential equation, let us see some examples. I said dy by dx is a differential equation. Example, dy by dx is equals to 2x plus 3. So this is an example of differential equation. The another example we can take d square y by dx square is equals to 7x minus 7x square minus 10x. These are the examples of differential equation. So here we will be defining dy by dx. Here we are defining d square y by dx square. So this means, what does it mean? Means we are dy by dx means differentiating y with respect to x. WRT means with respect to TO2 x. Suppose if I am writing dx by dy, then I am differentiating x with respect to y. I am differentiating x with respect to y. So this is the meaning of dy by dx. Since I am writing here square, d square y by dx square means first I will find out the value of dy by dx, then again I will do differentiating on both sides. Means I am applying differentiation two times. Since I am applying differentiation 2 times, I am getting d square y by dx square. If I am applying the differentiation 10 times, then I will get d power 10y by dx power 10. Means we can do differentiation n number of times depending upon the number of constants. So first let us see what is the ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation. So let us see the definition of this ordinary differential equation. So an equation with some ordinary derivatives, only normal derivatives will be there, ordinary derivatives, not complex. Ordinary derivatives are called ordinary. For example, ordinary derivatives are dy by dx, d square by dx square, and so on. Means y is equals to f of x It is a function of a function y is equals to f of x. So this is called the ordinary differential equation. Here one independent variable will be there. One independent variable. Okay, next we will see order and degree of the differential equation of this ordinary differential equation. So today's class is about this order and degree. Order and degree of a differential equation. So what is the order and degree of the differential equation? First, what is the order? The highest order derivative present in differential equation the highest order derivative present in differential equation, it is called the order. Next, if you are talking about the degree, highest power of highest order derivative. Highest power of highest order derivative in a differential equation. So these are the two definitions of order and degree. So to understand carefully, let me take an example here. For example, if suppose d square y by dx square plus dx by dy plus d cube y by dx cube whole power 10, here whole power 6, here whole power 5. So first we are talking about the order. Order means we have to see which is having, means it is a second order, it is a third order, means the differentiating is done 3 times, here it is done only 1 time, here it is done 2 times. So we have to take the highest order. So we have to concentrate on the highest order. So here order of the differential equation is 3. Why? Because the differentiation is done 3 times. And for the highest order, of course, let me take for this highest order, what is the power? 10. So this is called as degree. So here degree will be 10. Degree will be 10. For example, let me add another term here, d cube y by dx cube whole to the power of 6. Now in these two cases, the order will be 3 no doubt, but for the order 3, what is the highest power is that we have to take? Here highest power is 10, highest power is 6. So highest power is 10 and this will be the degree of the differential equation. Let us see this example 4.1. Find the order and degree. So in these questions, we need to find out what is the order and degree of the differential equation. Okay, let us see question by one question. First question. So question is d square y by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx whole square plus 4y is equals to 0. So you observe here, I already said that here differentiation highest time, how many times it is the highest times? 2 times. So 2 times it is an order. Order of the differential equation is 2. Since there is no power for this, if you observe the question, there is no power at all. We can put power 1. So degree will be 1. Degree is 1. So order is 2 for this differential equation and degree is 1. Next, let us see second question. So in the second question, d square y by dx square minus 2y dy by dx, 2 dy by dx plus 3y is equals to 0. Okay. If you see here also order is 2 and degree is 1. Why we are saying order is 2? Why? Because differentiation is done twice, 2 times here, and for this there is no power, we can put the power as 1. Next, let us see the third question. So third question, d cube y by dx cube minus 3 into dy by dx whole power 6 plus 2y is equals to x square. So here order of the differential equation is 3. Why? Because 3 times differentiation is done, and for this there is no power, so we can put degree as 1. Next, let us see the fourth question. So in the fourth question, 1 plus d square y by dx square whole to the power of 3 by 2 is equals to a d square y by dx square. Here we can say the order and degree on base of one case, that is, it should be a normal number, not like fractions or radicals. So here by 2 is there, so let me do squaring on both sides. If by 3 is there, I have to do cubing on both sides. Since by 2 is there, I will do squaring on both sides. If I do, 2 to get cancelled. So if I apply squaring on both sides, so it will become 1 plus d square y by dx square whole to the power of 3 by 2 whole square is equals to a square d square y by dx square whole square. So 2 to get cancelled. So the left term is 1 plus d square y by dx square whole cube is equals to a square into d square y by dx square whole square. Now, in this case, the order is, it is looking like a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube. If I expand this, I will get a cube plus b cube. So definitely I can write by this order is 2, no doubt. Why? Because if you observe this 2 also, it is done only twice, 2 times only differentiation is done. But when it comes to the degree of this will be, here the power is 3, here the power is 2. We have to take degree means the highest power of the order. So order for the highest power is how much here? 3. So order is 2, degree is 3. Next, let us see the fifth question. Y dash plus y double dash whole square is equals to x plus y double dash whole square. So it is in the format of a plus b whole square. Well, we have to expand this. So y dash plus y dash in the sense dy by dx means differentiation is done one time. Here y double dash means differentiation is done twice, 2 times. So y double dash whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So these two gets cancelled. So the left terms are y dash minus x square minus 2x y double dash is equals to 0. If I replace this with dy by dx, so dy by dx minus x square minus 2x dy by dx whole, so d square y by dx square is equals to 0. Here the order is 2, because differentiation is done twice and degree is 1. For this there is no power, we can put the power as 1. So order and degree. Next, let us see the sixth question. So the sixth question, d cube y by dx cube minus dy by dx whole to the power of 1 by 2 is equals to 0. Now, look at this question. Here, d cube y by dx cube is equals to, and transposing it will become dy by dx whole to the power of 1 by 2. So there is a radical here. So this needs to be freed. So we'll do squaring on both sides. Why? Because in denominator there is 2. So if I apply squaring on both sides, it will become d cube y by dx cube whole square is equals to dy by dx. dy by dx. So by this we can write here the order. Order is 3. Why we are writing order is 3? Because it is done differentiation 3 times and degree is 2. Order is 3 and degree is 2. Next, let us see 7th question. So just we are learning how to get the order and degree of the differential equations. So y is equals to 2 into dy by dx whole square plus 4x into dy by dx. So 4x into dx by dx. 4x into dx by dy. So this can be written as y is equals to 2 into dy by dx whole square plus 4x into, it is in the reverse form. Why? Because we want in dy by dx. So this can be written as 1 by dy by dx. So LCM will be dy by dx. It will become y into dy by dx 2 into dy by dx whole cube plus 4x. So dy by dx is the LCM. We have multiplied it. So if you observe this difference, now it is 3 of radicals. We can say that order of the differential equation is 1, and degree of the differential equation is 3. Why? Because there is no, we have not done differentiation 2 times also. Here, since the dy by dx only we are looking, so order will be 1. And for this dy by dx, here power is 1, but here power is 3. You have to take the highest power. So answer is order is 1 and degree is 3. So far we have learned in this class only the order and degree of the differential equations. In the further classes we will see next how to do that variable separable method